In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily put a story on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, and then to start creating a story we can just swipe to the right, and that will activate story mode. So then we can just take a picture of something by tapping right here. Let me take a picture of my keyboard. And also, if we would like to add some picture from our camera roll that was taken before, we can just stop right there at that icon and then select a picture or video from our camera roll, just like that. Then we can scale it, we can move it around in this way, and on the next step we'll be able to add some filters, effects, stickers, or maybe some text to that story. If you would like to add a text, we need to tap right here and then just enter a text. We can change text font, text size by dragging it up or down. Also, we can change text background, and also we can add some animation to our text by activating that options. If we tap right here, we'll be able to change text's color. Let me add a background. I like text with the background more. And then by tapping right here, we can change the alignment. Then we can also move it around within the screen, and also if we would like, we can resize it in that simple way. Then let me show you how we can easily add stickers. To add a sticker, tap right here, add stickers icon, and that's where we can find some stickers. Let's say I would like to mention someone. We can find mention stickers here, and then once you have selected a sticker, just start typing someone's username, and once you find a user you would like to mention, just tap on it and then place that sticker somewhere on your story. In the same way, if we tap at these stars, we'll be able to add some effect to our story, like that one, or also we can choose any effects from that bar. Once we are done with that, to save the changes, tap at done. Then also we can draw something here. To activate draw feature, tap right here at three dots, then tap at draw, select tool, let it be the first one. Then we can also select a color, and then in this way we can draw something on our story, just like that. To save it, tap at done. Once you are happy with the result, and to continue and to share your story, tap right here, select your story or close friends, depends on whom you would like to share this story with, and then tap at I'm gonna tap at add people because there are no one in my close friends now, so I'm just gonna select at least one user to continue, and then to share it, tap Add Share. After that, if you tap right here, you will be able to see your story that you have just posted. That's how you can easily put a story on Instagram.